Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you change to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so yeah, let's get straight to it. Let's go over today what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at. And also, I do want to tell the team members we're on live too, so 1 second here. So today at 10, Powell will end up speaking there. Yo, what's up guys? Really appreciate y'all tuning in. Yo, Gonzo, what's up? Thanks for the comment. Alright, so 1 second, I'm going to pull up this chat. And then yeah, we're going to tell the team members we're on live. 1 second, 1 second. Alright, just put that chat up there. And then 1 second here. Let's see. TikTok live now at everyone. Alright, yeah, just told the team. We're on live. Yo, Dustbuster, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. So yeah, what today at what an hour after market opens, or what 30 minutes after market opens. Powell does speak, so we got to be very careful with that. But as you can see, yeah, I mean, I'm still going to see if we can get some trades. Obviously, got to be very careful with Powell speaking today. So if we end up chopping, that's fine. But if we end up, you know, getting a position, that's decent too. All right, so yo, Griff, good morning, man. Good to see you. So yeah, it's what 30 minutes after market opens, so 10 a.m. Eastern time. All right, so we'll go over the Qs, Tesla, SPY, all these, you know, trades that I'm looking for. And I'll be honest, I did not have any swings yesterday. I wanted some. I will be honest, I wanted a few, but there wasn't, you know, anything that I liked. Obviously, we'll go over the Qs. I do see this 2-hour, possible 4-hour too as well. What looks good to me is this. So let's see. One second here. So, you know, on this, what? 2-hour time frame, I do like the 1 hour a little bit better. Just because it does look really decent. But we do have a nice box here. So this is a 4-hour box that I'm seeing. Honestly, wouldn't be bad for a swing trade on this. If we end up getting it. As you can see, yes, we do have this clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to this upside. And that's if we can get this nice break above. I don't see any resistance up to here. So that's what I'm seeing. This is on what, a 4-hour. Obviously, you know, yesterday we've been inside of consolidation pretty much. But sorry guys, someone was calling me. But yeah, right now we're still in that consolidation zone. I do want to see if we can get that 567 break with that nice candle closure above. And we do have that empty space, which honestly looks good. On a, what, 1 hour chart, let's see. So, yes, I did see this 4-hour. If I did this 4-hour, it would be more of a lotto. For something clear, I do like this 1 hour too. So, you can easily see top wall, bottom wall there. We can get this break above this wall. So, this is a little bit more cleaner. We do have that empty space up to that 576. So, still pretty much the same thing. They both look really decent. That 4-hour looks good. I do also like that 1 hour too. So right now, either way, we're still in this consolidation area. So I do want to see if we can potentially break outside of it to go into this, what, empty space here. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing, which doesn't look too bad. All right, Tesla. We'll look up SPY 2 as well. We almost had a gap. Almost had it. Does Powell day equal put day? Honestly, you know, it could, but you know, we'll just have to see, you know what he says. Obviously, if he says something good, and you know, we have the empty space to the upside or the downside, I'll definitely be there for sure. Yo, Jojo, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. IWM and AAL. Okay, cool. Alright. So yeah, I'll start fresh on all these trades here. So IWM looks like, dang, IWM did amazing. Wow. Wow, IWM did amazing. Wow. Okay, yeah, we'll go over all these trades. Yeah, no worries. I do want to go over Tesla first really quickly, and then we'll go over pretty much everything here. So let's see. Let's go ahead and I want to get rid of this alert too. Let's see. So as of right now, so at least on this 4 hour, nice top wall, decent bottom wall here. And right under us, we have some empty space. As you can see, yes, we are inside this POTTERBOX. I would look for a nice break under that 318 area. If we can potentially get that, hold on. If we can potentially get that, it doesn't look good, doesn't look bad. We'll want to see if we can potentially get down to this 310 area. So right now we're in this consolidation zone. There's nothing that I would want to do here yet, except for wait. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Still in that, you know, consolidation. That doesn't look too bad. So hold on one second here. 2 hour time frame, 1 hour. So 1 hour is going to be pretty much the same thing. You know, still the same box. I do like this same top wall here. So yeah, I do like how it lines up. If we can get a break above us, I can easily see us potentially going into this empty space here. So you can see clear move down, no consolidation here. This is what I also want to this upside. But this box is going to have same top wall there, just a little different bottom wall. So we get entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So, you know, it doesn't look bad. It looks actually pretty decent, but I do want to see if we can get that trade today. Yo, Jose, bro, good to see you, man. IWM, dude, yeah, IWM did amazing. We'll go over that too. So for Gap, yeah, we'll take a look there as well. Yo, Ramon, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. And yeah, I'm doing great, man. So yeah, I think today's gonna be a, you know, another great day. Even if we do chop, we'll have to see how, you know, things play out. All right, so as for right now, let's take a look here. So for Gap, this is what, honestly, I wanted to take this, what, just yesterday. We were almost above our top wall. This is what I wanted. And as you can see, yes, we could not get that candle closure above. And, you know, we ended up going back into this POTTERBOX. So what I'm looking at is if we can potentially get that break. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out. All right, so that was on Gap, IWM. All right, so IWM, yeah, we had beautiful punch back there. Did exactly what it needed to do. Obviously, yeah, I will be honest, I didn't end up getting into this one. But yeah, as you can see, what doesn't look bad here is, yeah, we ended up breaking above our cost basis area. We ended up pushing outside into this empty space. Do want to see if we can potentially hit that final TP, that 227. Honestly, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, right now we are at the inbound. So this is where price could potentially reverse. So if we end up reversing, this is this is the place to do it. Honestly, yeah, hopefully we can get that up to stay there. So that's what I'm seeing. That looks really good. Let's take a look here. So yeah, we did touch that first TP there. What I would say, maybe, yes, I mean, yes, we do have more empty space. So yes, Clear move up, no consolidation. I would look for some structure. So, in other words, yes, I would like to build a nice top wall, a nice bottom wall here. Actually, yeah, this could be points of contact here. So yeah, this could be another box. So nice top wall there, decent bottom wall here. And if we end up getting a break and closure outside of this box here, outside of this level, I would want to see if we can potentially go into this empty space to this downside. So yes, what do we see? Obviously, yes, that 1 hour did end up hitting that first TP. But no, I definitely would not chase into that. If we can, you know, get this nice break, we do have empty space all the way down to this, what, red candle there. So entry, exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. But yeah, that 1 hour did amazing. So so that was just on a little 30-minute that I'm seeing there. If we can get that continuation. The live isn't loading for you? Is it not? My bad. Hopefully it's still up. Let me know if you guys can see the live stream. Yo, Generous, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream as well. Alright, yeah, so that's on IWM. That's what I'm seeing. Obviously, yes, we did end up hitting that first TP. Well, that was beautiful, beautiful move. Alright, so that was on IWM. I do want to look at AMD. We also got to look at AAL too. So, it looks like we had an original wall here. So, yeah, another box there, right? Yo, remember what's up? Can I check out coin? Yeah, no worries. Got you, my guy. And yeah, same thing here. We had this empty space. This looks good. This looks great. Looks like we ended up getting that, what, nice closure underneath this wall, underneath this box. And what I can see is if we can continue, I will look for that next resistance, which is down to this red candle. Honestly, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So from what? Entry to the exit, middle of the move, we have empty space. And yes, all of our plays in our Discord are going to be exactly the same. I would love to see if we can retest this top wall here. So for us to push down, I do want to see if we can get that nice retest there. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. But yes, just like all of our Discord, all of our plays are going to be the same. Obviously, yesterday we had what? One little play. Obviously, you can see what one member did there. But we mainly chopped the whole day. But you can see, you know, we still wait for plays, wait for the same plays. If they hit, fine. If they don't hit, you know, that's also fine as well. So yesterday, yes, we were chopping. The markets weren't really moving. That's not something that I'm going to force myself into. I'm just going to wait. Obviously, you can see why we wait. My first day like this is what, 2 days ago. You can see why we wait for these trades. So, you know, if one little day ends up chopping, that doesn't mean anything. You can see what one member did on that IWM play. But yes, each trade is going to be exactly the same. You can see Chat at KB Trades couldn't do this without the Discord. You can see what she did there. And yes, all plays are exactly like. We don't change anything. So what? PLTR, before, aftermath. You can see Tesla before is the after. And yes, each trade is going to be the same. POTTER was fantastic. Thanks. So yeah, once we get those entries, that's when I take them. But yeah, if I don't see anything, or if we end up chopping for that day, I'm not going to rush into anything. You can also see what one member did on that trade there too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I'm seeing. We'll keep going. So what? Google? Yep, no worries. Mara, cool. We'll take a look there. Honestly, what do you guys think? Should I stay on live for market open today? I promised I promised you guys I would stay on live for at least for market open one day. So yeah, today might be that day. We'll have to see. All right, so it looks like as you can see here, yes. It looks like, yes, we ended up trying in that empty space. It gave us some trouble there. Let's go to a higher time frame and break this down. Let's go actually to this weekly chart and then we'll break it down. So weekly, I don't see anything that I like. So I do want to go down to a lower time frame. Honestly, that 4-hour looks good. Looks really decent. That 24-hour. All right, so I can tell, you know, this is a lot of wicks. I get it. I know this looks crazy. There is still empty space above us. So yeah, what I can see, yes. Clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would like to this upside. If we can get this break, I do like to see that 1693 area. So right now, where are we at? Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yeah, honestly, you know, it doesn't look bad. We are inside of consolidation, so I wouldn't want to take the trade. Maybe on a, you know, lower time frame. Let's see here. There could be some more empty space. So yes, what am I seeing? Right here. Clear move down, clear gap, clear as day. This is what I would want to this upside. So nice top all there, nice bottom all here. We can, if we can get that break above, I would look for that next resistance, which is up. Personally, I would try it up to this 1607. I get it, small move, nothing crazy about this. I do like that 24-hour, but yeah, that's what I'm seeing on this 1-hour chart too. So yeah, that's on Mara. So yeah, both ways we are pretty much inside of consolidation, so I do want to see how things will play out. Alright, so that is on what, Mara. Alright, so 1 second here. WMT, I want to look at here. NVDA, cool. Let's take a look there. So we got to go over Google, couple trades. NQ, yeah, no worries. We'll go over that too as well. And also, you guys wanted to see coin. Yep, Ramon, got you, man. So what? Let's see. Hold on, I had to change that song, sorry. I hate that song. Alright, so yeah, let's go over coin really quickly. And then, yeah, I promise we'll go over other ones. Actually, okay, I do see something here already. I do want to start fresh. It's probably still going to be the same thing. So yeah, I still feel the same way about it, pretty much. I think we did this on a 1-hour, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, each trade in our Discord is going to be exactly alike. We had a beautiful, great week already. So we'll see if we can, you know, get some more trades for today. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so as of right now, what I'm seeing, we're very close. So what? Yesterday we were almost there. Looks like we're still, you know, pretty close. We'll have to see if we can end up getting that. Top wall there, bottom wall here. As you can see, if we can somehow get this break under this bottom level, I still like it. You know, I get it. We were consolidating yesterday. There's nothing that I would want to do yet except for just to wait. But as you can see, yes, we still have this empty space that doesn't look bad. So yeah, we'll just have to see if, you know, we can potentially get that. So that's under that 292 area. So yeah, each trade exactly the same. So you can see, you know, not even just there, I could just scroll up and see how we call it LLY. How did we catch that? How did we do that? How do we get, you know, PLTR? How do we, you know, just join the VIP yesterday? Well, not yesterday, but you can see POTR. We're in the box. I'm personally not going to take the trade, obviously, unless it's a nice punch bag. But outside the wall, outside the area of consolidation, that's when I want to take the trade. Same thing, LOI. We're in the box, no trade. We break outside of it. I want this full position. You can see, how we pretty much call out plays. And if they work, cool. If they don't, that's fine. You can see one member, 2 runners left. You can see what we did just there. Shout out Fast Roddy. Glad I joined. And yeah, obviously, yes, if one play doesn't work, we just wait for the next. You can see why we wait for trades. And if we wait for them, you can see, what we pretty much do. Oh, wow. Hold on. Give me a second here. Actually doesn't look too bad. Alright, so one second. Actually, yeah, WMT doesn't look too bad. Walmart. Alright, so, yeah, what I can see here, yeah, that doesn't look too bad, actually. Alright, so, WMT wanted that. Let's go to a lower time frame, and yeah, let's break this down. One second here, guys. So yeah, what I can, easily see is this. So, we do have this empty space here. Clear as day. Clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I do like to this upside. So what? 2 hour. I do want to knock this down in this 1 hour though. Let's see. Oh yeah, that looks really good. We do have a nice top wall there. Decent bottom wall here. If we somehow can get this nice break above. Are we live? Yo, what's up, man? I'm live. Someone said my live stream was paused and they couldn't see it. So if you can see it, just let me know. If you can't, then I might have to restart it. But yes, I will be on live stream when market opens today. So I will let the members know as well. One second here. One second here. One second. Tell them team members that I'll be on live for an hour. Alright, so yeah, I just told the team members we're on live. And yeah, if you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. You can see, what we do here. Can do this without the Discord. And yeah, you can just see in the gains page what we do. And yes, we do have a code that will be ending soon. So yes, this and yeah, this we won't have another deal like this for a while either. But honestly, just join the free chat, see how you like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so right now, looks good, looks decent. Yo, Julius, what's up, man? Good to see you, my guy. Alright, so yeah, as of right now, we do have this empty space here. So what? Clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would like to this upside. You can see, yes, nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. In the middle, we have this empty space. Or this imbalance area. So this is where price can typically end up reversing. So right now, yeah, buyers ended up stepping up on this floor. Let's fix this box, make it a little perfect. Looking for that nice break above if we can. Looks really good. Honestly, I'll keep an eye out on that one. Which doesn't look too bad. Well, yeah, so yeah, we'll have to see. All right, so that's on WMT. Also, we did coin. We didn't do this one. Hold on. Oh wow. All right, so yo, Catherine, thanks for sharing the live stream. Appreciate it. So Tesla and ZM, yeah, no worries. We can go over those too. Good to see you, Tina. All right, so honestly, this doesn't look bad. Can't see the live? Really? Do I have to restart this live stream? I think I may have to restart it because there's like a lot of people saying that they can't see it. Let me know if you guys and gals can see it. So that's like, I don't know, that's weird. So yeah, that was like the third person that said that. Alright, so yeah, if one more person says it, I'll restart the live stream. Okay, cool. I'm stuck on loading. Really? Okay, that's weird. I mean, I have full bars right now, so hopefully, okay. Alright, maybe in the next, what? I can't see either of my... Oh, wow, okay, yeah. Okay, let me restart. I'll restart this live stream, I promise. I'll be back in literally like a minute or so. So yeah, I'm going to restart it so everyone can get a chance to see. But yeah, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. If you do want to join the Discord, you can join. If you don't want to join, no worries. Links in the bio. Can't see. All right, yeah, 1 second here, guys and gals. I'll restart this really quickly. 1 second here. So yeah, YouTube, I'm still here. I'm just restarting my my TikTok live right now. So if you're on the YouTube stream, I'm still here. Yo, Kendall, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that for you. 1 second here. I'll pull the stream over here so you guys can see what I'm looking at too. All right, yeah. Sorry, having some complications right now with the live. Alright, so yeah, I'm back. Alright, so we should be good now. Hold on, give me a second here. Hopefully everyone can see now what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. So let's see. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. So yes, just make sure you guys and gals know, not financial advice. You all must conduct your own research. All right, so yeah, we're back on. Hopefully everyone can see my screen now. If you guys can, that'll be great. If you can't, just let me know. All right, let's retell the members that we're on live now. 1 second here. Alright, so 1 second here. TikTok live now. Stream should be fixed. Stream should be fixed. All right, cool. All right, yeah, we should be back on, guys and gals. All right, yeah, we shall see. Yo, Jojo, thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, let's fix this so you guys and gals can see what I'm looking at. Yo, Stephanie, what's up? What's up? All right, so yeah, I think we're working now. I think it's on. But yeah, we'll go over all these trades as well. And yes, I still will be on live stream. Since I did promise everyone that I'll stay on live when market opens today. And yes, we have Pal speaking, what, 30 minutes after market opens. So got to be very careful with that. All right, so WMT, I know we went over this already, but I still like it a lot. We do have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is what I would like, you know, to this upside. So it doesn't look bad. It honestly looks really, really good. 1 second here. I'm pulling up my brokers and stuff on my other laptop. So 1 second. AMD. And yeah, let's restart this. I might have to do a new playlist today. I can't listen to this for 2 hours straight. Alright, so 1 second here. 1 second. I'm just pulling up all of my brokers so I can get ready for today. Alright. Okay. Turbo. All right, yeah, we're ready. NVO looks good. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there as well. Once I'm getting situated really quickly. So, NVO, I also did see what NVO did, it was Neo that did really good. So, as of right now, we'll keep on going. I do like Walmart. I do want to see if we can end up getting that. For watching UNH. Yo, Leah, thanks for the hearts. Really appreciate it. So yeah, as of right now, let's go over this. Let's take a look here. So 1 second here. Thanks for the gifts. Really appreciate it. Can I look at SPY, Tesla, and OR? Yeah. So SPY, Tesla. I'm actually leaving that up. Actually, I want to pull up one more chart here. All right, cool. Okay, I do see something here. Yeah, I do see something there too. Let's go ahead. So there's two possible outcomes that I'm seeing there. All right, so getting pretty much everything organized. And yeah, let's get right. All right, so NVDA, let's take a look here. So as of right now, on this 4-hour chart, maybe even this 1 hour. Hold on, give me a second here. So there is a little bit of empty space under us. Honestly, yeah, it doesn't look bad. Hold on, give me a second here. 4-hour, honestly, that 4-hour just looks really good though. So yeah, what I can see is this. Yo, Nelly, what's up? Leah, good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate it. So yeah, we'll go over Neo too. And actually, Glock was the one that called that one out. So, yeah, we'll have to check it out. So it looks like, yes, we do have a nice POTTERBOX. Above us, we have empty space here. Also, below us, you can easily see that, yes, we also have this empty space that looks really, really good. So right now, where are we currently at? We are still in this box here. If we can break outside this wall here, do want to see if we can go into this empty space there. Obviously, we break above our top wall there. We have empty space above us. Personally, I do like that upside there. So Looks like we may, and yes, if we end up dumping it, you know, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. But yes, entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yeah, this is the empty space that I'm talking about that I like. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. That, you know, honestly looks really, really good. So, dang, we have what? Powell speaking today, and also, does Trump speak today after him? Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting day. Either, you know, obviously only two ways is gonna either happen. Either, you know, the market may go insane, or we may end up just going sideways like we did yesterday. So yeah, we'll have to see. So yeah, that's what I see on NVDA. That looks honestly really good. So yeah, you know, today we got Powell speaking, so we gotta be very careful. Obviously, you know, right, that's like 30 minutes after market open, so we'll have to see how that plays out. Chop premium out until so yeah, Powell speaks at what? 30 minutes after market open, so 10 a.m. Eastern time. So I mean, obviously yesterday we've been in chop, but you know, I just don't rush into trades. Obviously, we only had one that was a nice UNH play, and you know, it was decent. You could see what one member ended up doing there, but not just yesterday. You know, you can see the day before that what we ended up doing, why we wait for trades. You can see the befores. Yes, you know, I had all my trades yesterday set, but we just didn't get those entries. Obviously, the days before that, we do the same thing. We have our plays set. Once we get them, oh yeah, I'm going to take those. And you can see why we wait, why a few of the members also wait with me. Because I know once we do get them, and you know, the targets can be hit, you can see what we do here. My first day like this. What a beautiful day. So yeah, overall, we already had a great week. You can even see, couldn't do this without the Discord. Shout out to KB, shout out to, you know, the other, you know, Trace there. So yeah, I get it. You know, yes, we're all looking for, you know, the Q's play, something like this. We're all looking for that IWM play, that Amazon play. Not just 2 days ago, you can see the days before that, we're looking for that POTR. We're looking for things of that sort. But we're just going to have to wait on these trades. So yeah, let's go over SPY. Let's go over, I do actually want to go over PLTR too. So yeah, we'll have to take a look here. One second. Alright, so Tesla, as of right now, we did do this on a, what, 4 hour. So yeah, the QQ play was, it was a very, very nice trade. Honestly, like, with that trade that we had, and even before that, we had some other good entries as well. But yeah, I could have, you know, just took the whole week off with that trade there. But I still like to, you know, find setups, get in if we can get more entries. And yeah, I'm still going to be here with the team, whether if we, you know, hit the craziest trade or if we don't have any, I'll still be here. But yeah, for Tesla, I do like this downside here. So this downside, you know, it doesn't look bad. As you can see, we do have this clear move up of no consolidation. This is what I would love to take to this downside here. But we are in this box. So, you know, like I said, you know, if we're in the POTTERBOX, if we're in consolidation, I don't tell the members, oh, let's just get in just because. No, I'm just going to wait and see if we can get those trades. Can I do LOY at NVO? Yeah, no worries. Yo, Victor, what's up? And QQQ? Yeah, I can definitely take a look there as well. Any discounts for joining your channel? So, honestly, if you want to just join my free chat, you can. We do have a free Discord. Honestly, you can see how we, you know, do things here. You can even talk to the members. You can even look at the testimonials. You can see what we do here. Obviously, I'm not saying, oh, I hit every trade. If I have to lose on a trade, you know, that's fine. But yeah, we do have a discount code that will be ending soon. So Posted this, really nice discount code for the VIP. But yeah, everything's in the link in the bio. All right, so Tesla, I like that. Obviously, Tesla wants to, go up. I'll be ready to. So, as you can see, we have the downside, but we also have this upside here. So yes, if we, want to break above this top wall here, so you see body candle and a wick closing directly at the same price, we do have this empty space above us, which honestly looks really, really good. Absolutely, bro. QQ and that PLTR cons went 1200%. I sold for, dude. Yeah, if we end up hitting a crazy trade, like for that day or for that weekend, it's really, really good. Oh yeah, I'll definitely still be here, but it's going to be a little bit, sized down. Obviously, the only reason why I'm choosing not to go full port mode is because I know what we have ahead of us. Powell speaking, Trump speaking today too as well, allegedly. So yeah, just got to know when and when not to, go all in pretty much. All right, so we did Tesla. I like Tesla. I'm actually going to keep an eye on that. We can go over SPY too. So let's take a look here. Oh man, it's just like, hold on, Rug Reality just sent a great message inside the Discord. I'm going to add everyone there. Yeah, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. So, SPY, I mean, I will be honest, it doesn't look bad. I do like this 4 hour. I will be honest, same thing with the Qs. I like the 1 hour just a little bit better since it's a little bit more clean. But yeah, 4 hours still looks pretty decent. What I can see is this. So let's go to this 4 hour chart really quickly. And yeah, we're going to break this down. We do have nice top all there. Nice bottom all here. So I'm not just making random boxes. I'm looking at points of contact. So you can see, yes, we have this empty space here. Clear as day. We have the POTTERBOX. So this top wall, 2 body candles and a wick closing directly the same price. If we can get this break above, I'm looking for that next resistance, which is up to this green candle there. So, as you see, what am I targeting? These red candles. Obviously, we are in consolidation. I don't really want to just take anything just because. But yeah, if we can get above that, looks really good. I will be honest though, I do like this 1 hour. So, I mean, yeah, so if we get that 4 hour, I would love that. Maybe for some lottos, something like that. But I do like this 1 hour too. So it's also very clean. Nice top all there, nice bottom all here. We somehow can get a break above. Pretty much still the same thing. Empty space here. You see entry, exit. I'm still going to use that same exit as well. But that first TP, if I did take this on the 1 hour, would be that 641.32. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please, do your own research before doing anything. So no, I'm not into any of this. So yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So yeah, right now, yeah, we're still in this box. I'll keep an eye on this though. So I will keep an eye on Qs and SPY. I love the Qs. I love SPY. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And also for the Qs, same exact thing here. So as you can see, yes, what do we have? One second. Yo, Sky Guy, good to see you, my guy. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream once again. Yo, thanks for the follows. So yeah, for the Qs, I do like this 4 hour. This 4 hour looks good. Personally, if I was gonna take a trade, it'll definitely be on the Qs instead of SPY. But we'll have to see. Obviously, yeah, we're still in this box. I'm not gonna do anything. Consolidation. I'm personally just going to wait and see if we can get a nice entry. So if we can get this to break above, it'll be more of a lotto for me. But then, yeah, if we can get that nice 1 hour break, I do like, you know, for something full. So, you know, it doesn't look bad. Honestly, looks really, really good. So we'll just have to see. All right, so WMT, PLTR, we'll go over that. So we went over Tesla. Qs. All right, I only went up over the upside. Let's go over the downside. So let's not BS this downside here. Hold on, give me a second here. 1 second, 1 second. So, yeah. You guys can say it. Yes, I'm tripping. I didn't check the downside here, but yes, I'm checking now. Obviously, I still feel the same way about it. There's still a nice gap here. Obviously, this wall, though, will be a little bit different. I'm using points of contact here. And I'm using wicks this time. So 2 wicks there. So if we can get this nice break under this wall, I would be looking for that next resistance, which is down to that red candle. And, you know, it doesn't look too bad. So yeah, from entry to exit, middle of the move, we have exactly what we want, which is that first TP. So yeah, both ways, like, you know, so yeah, there will be, you know, times where, you know, we are in consolidation, but there's a move both ways. So let's go ahead. I'm going to actually go ahead and pull up other charts too. NVO, you guys want to see that. We'll keep on going here. NVO, LOY. Yo, Doc, what's up, man? So yeah, no worries. My bad. I just seen your comment too, but yeah, I do like that downside. Obviously on the 4 hour can look a little different. But personally, I like that. I just like that 1 hour on that downside. Which we do have that little nice gap there as well. Yo, Wayne 800, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Really appreciate you tuning in. Hold on. Letting the members know everything right now. So yeah, I will be honest. Yes, what we have, pal speaking. I would love some entries, of course, but yeah, it's just going to be a little more lighter for me until they get done yapping. All right, so that's on the Qs. Also, NVO. Let's take a look here. We got to go over PLTR too as well. Yo, Kenneth, what's up? What's up? So yeah, my bad. I keep forgetting I have the other chat. But yes, I'm here. And no, I'm not ignoring you guys in the other chat. Sorry, I forget to keep looking over. All right, so we'll go over POTR too. Honestly, POTR looks really decent. What I like, so yeah, we do have this 4 hour. It looks really decent. CVX and LOY. Okay, yeah. So we did the Qs, LOY, and CVX. Okay, cool. I just joined the VIP group where in Discord our trades posted. So yeah, pretty much all of our trades will be, so yeah, I'll just go ahead and show you what we have. So in the VIP Discord, yes, this is the general chat. This is where we pretty much just talk about entries, things of that sort. This is where I post all of the potential setups. So every setup that I have, I focus on just a couple. We'll post them in there, and then when the time comes, either I'll post in the day trading alerts or I may post in the general chat. It really just depends on the play and on how fast it ends up going. So like, let's just say if I post a let's see, one second here. Like, let's see, hold on 1 second here. I want to one second. I want to show you just like a really good example here. So yeah, this was a play that we ended up having, the other day. We ended up hitting this. I get it, this chart looked a little bit more confusing, but yes, we post all of our setups here. So yeah, you can see I post everything right at market open or right before market open. And then, yeah, we just wait for the entries, and I'll tell the members, oh yeah, just watch for this entry, things of that sort. You can see, like, when the plays end up hitting, I'll tell the members what we're going to do. You can see the befores come on all through all of these hits. And yeah, obviously, you know, if one play doesn't work, I'll be like, okay, I'm going to find the re-entry on that trade. So yeah, this is for the day trades. Obviously, the swing trades will be a little bit different. Same thing though. But yeah, you can pretty much see swing trades. I post all the updates. You can see, you know, the befores there, the afters. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So potential setups is mainly where you need to look. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, honestly, I have calls for POTTR. Oh yeah, we'll take a look here. Yo, thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, what today? I will be honest. Yes, today I will be on live for, you know, the first hour. I'm usually inside the Discord, but today we have what, Pal speaking as well. So yeah, I do want to see if we can, you know, possibly get something on the live stream. There's just going to be a lot more lighter for sure. What is the cost to be in your Discord? Honestly, you know, if you want to, you can just join the free chat. So especially if you're, you know, brand new, I would suggest don't even get the VIP. You can just get the free chat, see how you like it. Yeah, things of that sort. But yeah, we do have a code that will be ending soon. You can see that in the free chat here. But yeah, just make sure to do your own research before doing anything, of course. We have what, 29 a week, we have 100 a month, and then the lifetime and the yearly, but everything is discounted right now. All right, so I do see PLTR. You know, it looks good. My bad for the yapping. Now let's get back to it. All right, 12 minutes until market opens. All right, yeah, we're good. So yeah, we'll go over LOY as well. You saved me, my friend. I sold. So yeah, that's great, man. So I do love helping people as, you know, as much as I can. Obviously, yes, you all just still have to do your own research. Not telling anyone to get into any trades. So yes, please just do your own research before doing anything. All right. So as of right now, I do see PLTR, and honestly, it looks great. I will be honest. Yes. So there's two possible outcomes here. I see that we have this little move here. That looks good. Nice top all there. Honestly, bottom all there. So we can get this nice break above this wall. We could potentially go into this empty space here, up to this, what, 162. So that's what I like. Looks really good, looks really decent. Not bad at all. I can also see, so yes, we do have more empty space here, which honestly looks really, really good. So, and yeah, that's if we can get above there. You know, it doesn't look bad. It looks honestly pretty decent. Sorry, 1 second here. So let's go ahead and pull this away a little bit. I get it. Yes, this is another box. Overlapping. I completely understand. So, yes, overlapping box here. I don't really like drawing too big of boxes, but still, that's an area of consolidation. We get above this 163 area. We could potentially go up to that 172. So that's what I'm seeing on there. I know this chart looks a little bit more difficult, but still the same thing. I'm still going to take this one step at a time. So the first step that I like, and yes, you all can see it differently, which is perfectly fine. Not telling anyone to get into any trades. So yes, please do your own research. So yeah, it looks like a whole mess right now, but as you can see, yes, we do have empty space here. So yeah, right now we'll see how things play out. I get it. Yes, we could have another little pocket there. But yeah, I do like that, you know, that bigger move. So yeah, we'll have to see. I'll keep that up too as well. All right, so NVO. Robin, no, that's all you. No worries. Kind of, yeah. So yeah, this consolidation isn't the best consolidation. I will be honest. There is still empty space. But yeah, we'll just have to be very careful on that. That's for sure. All right, so now let's keep going here. Have I done Apple? I have not. Yo, MJ, good to see you, man. So Apple, we got to go over NVO, OSCR. Okay, cool, and LLY. All right, yeah, we'll go over these. Ooh, Walmart looks good. All right, yeah, we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna get ready for today. See if we can potentially get anything. And yes, I will be on live when market opens too. So. All right, yeah, NVO. Yeah, that looks great actually. Yeah, that looks decent. So there was another wall that we needed to break above, which was that 56.37. So if we can continue, I would love to see if we can get that empty space. We would just have to retest this top wall. So, well, yeah, NVO, I'll keep that up. Yeah, that looks really good. NVO. All right, cool. And OSCR. So yeah, there's a lot of trades. So Apple, I will be honest, yes, we are right at this box here. So we still have this empty space. Apple has been, you know, playing around for quite a while. I will say, yes, we are still inside, well, not inside the box, but we're rejecting this box. So if we can get a nice rejection, it looks good. But yeah, if we go back into this box, we could keep pushing up. So yeah, we'll have to see how things play out. All right, so that was on, so we did NVO. NVO, we did end up breaking above. Do want to see if we can get that continuation to this empty space here. So that looks really good. But yeah, we'll have to see. Also, OCSR, I did like that 24-hour. Let's break this down here. Let's see. I mean, yeah, that looks good. There is that empty space here. You can easily see, yes, we do have nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. So it looks like we did end up getting that nice break above this empty space. I do want to see if we can get this retest here though. So where we're, you know, currently sitting on top of right now, I would need to see if we can retest that area to, you know, try to go up to this empty space. So yeah, we'll have to see. All right, cool. That's there. Are you gonna watch the Qs today? Of course I'm gonna watch the Qs. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna, you know, get ready as of right now. For today. Oh yeah, Walmart looks good too. So yeah, but yeah, we do have PAL speaking as well. So yes, give me 1 second here. I'm gonna get me some water, things of that sort, before market opens. So just give me 1 second. I will be right back. And yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. Yeah, that looks good. Tesla too. Okay. Where are we at? Okay. All right, yeah, 1 second here. I'll be right back, guys and gals. 1 second here. And yes, please do your own research. I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades. Never have I told anyone to do that anyways. But yes, please do your own research before doing anything. All right, so we'll have to see. All right, yeah, give me 1 second. I'll be back. All right, yeah, I'm back here, guys. I'm back. All right, what? 2 minutes left. 2. All right, cool. Where are we at? Where are we at? All right, Tesla. Cool, nice. OSCR, yeah, we would need that retest there. Where are we at now? Hold on. All right, LOY. We could end up potentially going there. Walmart crossing. All right, cool. Nice. So yeah, we'll see if we can get that nice little push up. And yes, I'm not even reading comments right now, so give me a second here. Yo, what's up, guys and gals? I'm back. What do we think Powell will do? Honestly, it really just depends. We'll see how everything plays out. So yeah, it's like a 50-50 chance. So we'll have to see. Honestly, WMT looks good. Let's get off this 24-hour. Let's go to this 2-hour here. Not 2 hour, 1 hour. So yeah, 4-hour, maybe a lotto if we can get above. We'll have to see. Tesla, oh yeah, I'm ready. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Let's see. So yeah, WMT looks good. QQQ. Tesla. All right. Yeah, Myra, I'm on live right now. Yeah, so we'll see how everything plays out today. Pretty much just seeing how things play out. Tesla looks good. I'll try Tesla if we can get it. And also WMT as well. We'll see. We'll see. So nothing there. Nice, nice. Let's see our QQ, WMT. All right, WMT doesn't look too bad. If we can somehow stay above too. Let's see, 30-minute. So I have my alerts pretty much set on this. And yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Not telling anyone to do any trades. Not telling anyone to get into anything. Oh yeah. Let's see. Tesla. All right. I think Walmart could potentially continue if we can. Oh, Tesla with that dump too. You said, dude, I gotta send that one video inside the Discord. The leprechaun dude. That would be pretty nice. Hold on 1 second here. So I'm gonna watch all these other trades too. All right, nothing there. Only Walmart looks really good. I mean, obviously, what, Powell speaks in what, 29 minutes? So we got to be very careful. If we can continue, it doesn't look bad. Hold on 1 second here. Let's see. But yeah, if we, go back into this wall here, I could definitely see us getting that push down. So yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on pretty much all these trades. QQQ, nothing there. Hold on 1 second here. Also, I'm gonna pull up Oscar Health too. All right, nothing there. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Hold on, give me a second here. Oh, Gap trying to. If we can, oh, that looks good. If we can possibly get that continuation. Tesla. So what, Tesla? Oh, I want Tesla too. Oh, Gap looking pretty good. All right, so 5-minute closure. Let's see. 1 minute 50 seconds there. All right, all right. So yeah, let's see if we can hold it. Not try it. We'll see. So what? 100. 1 second here. Yo, Hansel, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Really appreciate you all tuning back in. So yeah, just waiting on my favorite setups to happen, and then, all right, yeah, just waiting. Walmart is looking pretty decent too. If we can somehow get this hold above, I get it. So on a little, 1 hour chart. So honestly, if for me at least, this wouldn't be a bad end of day swing. Especially if we could potentially get it. So yeah, I do like the. And no, I'm not saying anyone's against anything, so please do your own research, of course. I will be honest, not a lot of volume on those contracts, but if we can stay above, doesn't look too bad. All right, Tesla. All right, I'm gonna try Tesla if we can get it. Oh, here we go. So yeah, I'm eyeing these two. We'll see. I do like Walmart though. I know Neo's going crazy too. Hold on. So yeah, shout out to Glock. Dang, that went crazy. Yeah, Glock had a crazy call out on this one. Dang, yeah, we broke above. Yeah, that ended up going crazy. All right, OSCR. Okay. Let's see. OSCR. When does Powell speak? So he speaks in like what, 20 minutes, 25 minutes? So 10 a.m. Eastern time is when he speaks. That looks good. That's if we can stay above though. Tesla Qs, come on, do something. I need you. Yeah, we'll have to see. Are you trading options or futures? So yeah, I'm trading options. Obviously, yes, we do have Powell speaking really soon, so we got to be very careful. Wow, shout out to Glock for that call out. All right, Tesla coming close. I do like that if we get that 324 break too as well. Yo, Monica, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Oh, wait, I got to turn this music off. Honestly, I need to find a better playlist. Yeah, shout out to Glock for that one. Yeah, great trade, man. Not sure if he's in the live stream anymore. All right, got my alerts pretty much set on there. WMT, 22 minutes. Ooh, Tesla. Ooh, Tesla's coming close too. Oscar. Tesla, let's see. Maybe if I can snag something really quick. Let's see. And no, not selling anyone to get into any trade, so please do your own research. Yeah, Walmart is struggling. If anything, I do like end of day on this. So if we, you know, if it doesn't want to do it right now, yeah, I do like the end of day for it. So we'll see. We shall see how that plays out. Tesla, hurry up, man. Or actually take your time, it's cool. Hold on, give me a second here. Hold on, give me 1 second. Contract's expiring today. Let's see. Tesla's just a little bit more 320. So yeah, we'll have to see. Q's, Neo. So Neo is pretty much going. So I really do like Tesla. I really do want to see if we can get the Q's too. Walmart, I do really like that a lot. If we can potentially go. What strategy is your preference? Are you doing orb? So, I mean, I do know a lot of people that do use that. Personally, I'm using the POTTERBOX with the empty space. So basically, I'm targeting empty space. Obviously, Tesla, empty space here. That looks really good. Alright, so we'll see. So yeah, pretty much still stalling. I mean, if Walmart can get above, that doesn't look too bad. So we'll have to see. So hold on, let me look at some more trades really quickly. NVDA. Hold on. 4 hour. Okay, nothing there yet. Tesla almost. Walmart just needs to stay up. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any play, so please do your own research before doing anything, of course. And obviously, yes, we do have what pal speaking really soon too. Oh, nicey. All right, let's see if we get this break here. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Walmart, it looks like if we can get it, it may take some time for sure. Tesla. All right, let's see. Let's see if we get this 324.43 break and hold above. We'll have to see. So yeah, we're right at seller's control right now. So, if we want, let's go ahead and get rid of this. Actually, did not mean to do all that. Hold on. So this is the box that I'm seeing. So if we cannot stay above this level here, or if we can't get above this level, I can see us rejecting there. But I do want to see if we can get that nice break. Yeah, cons are jacked right now for sure. So if anything, if I get into anything, it's definitely going to be lottos for sure. All right. Okay. So yeah, this is a very important level right now that we need to stay above. We can stay above. Somehow can get above that 324 too. Let's look back also. So we'll see. So what? 2 minutes on that. Let's see. I'll try some starters if we do end up holding above. You gotta show me something though. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into anything. So yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. I'm only looking at the charts. So yes, please do your own research. And I think Walmart looks really good too now. No, Tesla does look really good though. I really like it. As if we can, you know, stay above. As I'm drinking the worst water brand in history, in human history. So yeah, we'll see. All right. Q's, NVDA. AAL hasn't fell. Oh yeah, I haven't even checked AAL, so yeah, we can look at that too. So yeah, this is what I'm basically seeing. I am seeing this. There is a little bit more empty space here. So if we can... Actually, yeah, you're right. Nizani is the worst. But I'm also putting Aquafina with that too as well. So, and it's not even cold. Alright. So yeah, sellers do have control right now. Still waiting to see if we can get that. So yeah, we'll see. Walmart still looks decent. It's just not really moving right now. I think we might end up getting it though. Let's see. There we go. Let's see if we can somehow stay above though. Did we close? We closed on that. So yeah, let's see. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. So 5 minutes. There's another box there. So we closed right under that cost basis area. So at least on that 1 hour chart, let's see. Also 14 minutes left too. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Where's Walmart 2? OSCR, okay. Looks like we're getting that nice push there. Q's. NVDA. OSCR looks like, yeah, we might be getting that move too. Finally. Tesla would have to stay above though. So if we go back into this box here, like I said, if we go back to this box, we could end up pushing down. OSCR looks really good. 14 minutes left for that closure too. He speaks in 13 minutes as well. Hold on. OSCR looks like it could end up hitting there. All right. The LLY, yeah, no worries. LLY. No, I still want Tesla though. We'll have to see. INTC close to imbalance. Let me see. All right, let's see if we can get that retest. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Honestly, if Powell comes in and and he says something crazy, I would love to see if we can get that empty space. OSCR looks like we're trying to go up here now. Looks really good. So yeah, only OSCR and also Tesla's the only really ones I really like right now. Walmart has to show me something. WMT got to show me something. So I'm keeping an eye on both of these. OSCR. Okay. So yeah, Powell speaks in, let's see, 10 minutes, 10, 11 minutes there. Just kind of stalling right now. OSCR doesn't look too bad. If we can get that nice push above too. Let's see. SPY. I think, you know, Tesla does look really good. If we can just, you know, continue to get that push, it looks great. We just need to see. Because we did end up retesting here 1 minute for that 5 minutes too. So we would need this 5 minute candle to close above as well. OSCR, it looks like it's trying to go into that first TP as well. We'll see if we can hit that too. Sorry if I sound really boring right now. I'm just really locked in. And yes, I get it. Powell speaks in what? 10 minutes or so. So, got to be very careful too. So, I think we might end up getting that push there. Do want to see that 326.35 being hit here. That'd be great if we can. Okay. Nice little trim spot there. See if we can hit the rest here. So what we did close up on that 5 minute. That first target is approaching there. So once we're very close, I do like to go ahead and just go ahead and trim up and then leave the runners. See if we can continue, get that continuation. So yeah, that, what, 326.35. But yeah, very close. Beautiful trim there. So I do want to see if we can actually tap it though. And then want to see if those runners can actually hit that 328. We'll have to see though. If we can, it's fine. I'll stop out of the runners if I have to. Alright, so I think we should continue. We should go ahead and tap it. It's like right there. Yeah, when it's close enough, I do like to go ahead and just trim up as well. Do you make trades on live or just... So yeah, I do actually make trades on live. I just can't say... I can't tell anyone to get into any trades. Especially on this live stream. I just... I wish I could, but I just can't. Oh man, I didn't even mean to turn this off. 1 second here. ELAB. Okay, cool. So yeah, we're what? Very close to that first TP. Obviously, could we hit it? We definitely could. So, hold on 1 second. Let's turn this back on. So yeah, once we get very, very close, I do like to trim up. We could end up, you know, continuing. I think we might tap it. So yeah, we ended up tapping there. Perfect, perfect. Pretty nice there. Conchas went up pretty nicely there. All right, so I do want to see if that final can end up hitting here. So yeah, this is the inbound. So this is where price could typically end up reversing right here. So we got to be very, or at least I got to be very careful on this. Only runners. If I got to stop out, that's I really don't care. He said, hold on, where's, all right, looking good. Just smack spot. Dude, fire, man. Keep up the great work, bro. Dang, that's exactly what I needed. Obviously, cons ended up dropping a bit, but do want to see if we can possibly get that finish. 6 minutes left as well. Doesn't look too bad. So I did like that 5 minute. We ended up closing above this top wall. We retested, so yeah, it gave us a little bit of trouble, but we finally did end up finishing that first TP there. I do want to see if that 328.21 can get hit. And no, not telling anyone to get into any trade. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. So yes, not financial advice, not telling anyone to get into any trades. Let's see. Would you expect it to get to the final TP if it closes above? For me, for this one at least, I still treat the imbalance as the imbalance just because, obviously, yes, you could see it differently. Even if we do close above, I mean, I'm still going to treat that as the imbalance because I've seen it where we closed above a lot and we just couldn't get that finish. Well, yeah, if we can, you know, it doesn't look too bad. So let's see. I mean, there's just nothing to stop us, but we'll have to see if we can get this imbalance here. Get above. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. So yeah, I took today's. Next week's are fine too. There's like just a lot less for sure. So yeah, if I'm, you know, I think we might end up hitting this too. I got a great feeling about it. All right, OSCR. All right. Yeah. Yeah, getting a little bit more time is always great, especially with, you know, day trades. And yes, you know, I would love to tell everyone, you know, get in, but you know, I just can't. I can't do that. So yes, everyone has to do their own research before doing anything, of course. Dang, INTC went crazy. I didn't even look at that. Qs look good for puts. Let me see. All right, so the Qs, nothing yet on that. I am watching this to see if we can get that final. If not, then it's fine. It's cool. But yeah, this is what we pretty much do every day inside the Discord. Obviously, I promised, you know, the team, or I promised you guys that I'll be on live today. But yeah, we're struggling to get above, but you know, we'll see. Please not this song. Please not this song. Hold on one second. I gotta change the song, guys. I hate this song. Alright, I think we're good. Yo, Hansel, yeah, no worries. I can definitely take a look at it as well. QQs look. So yeah, that QQ box that I have, this is a 4-hour box. So I know it looked a lot like weird, like why in the world I had that, but yeah, it's just a 4-hour box there. Hate is a strong word. Okay, yeah, maybe it's strong. I don't like that song. I'm gonna get out if we can't get that break. So everything's already set though. This looks so foreign to me. Yo, so you know, I know it looks crazy. I know it's like what is he even talking about? So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this, and I'm gonna get rid of this. So just worry about. All right, looks like I'm, you know, about to get out here. Let's see. But yeah, as you can see, yes, all that I'm looking for, all that I'm searching for is, and Pal speaks in 2 minutes, empty space. So yeah, we have a clear gap down of no consolidation. So today, this is what I wanted. Obviously, I want the Qs too. OSCR, we did go back to the box there. So nothing there. Obviously, yes, re-entries are fine with that. But yeah, as you can see, what I'm looking for is this. Empty space, clear gap down, no consolidation. All that I'm looking for is a nice break above this top wall. So yeah, we ended up holding. I did see we closed above on this 5-minute. Obviously, yeah, we broke above. We ended up retesting. We ended up touching that first TP. So higher time frame analysis, lower time frame entry. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, you can see we ended up hitting this play here. Obviously, yes, I do this inside of the Discord. But today I just wanted to be on live stream. And as you can see, what happened? We ended up breaking above. We got that nice close on the lower time frame. We ended up touching that first TP. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get in any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. And that's pretty much it. Dang, I really want the Q. So what? 1 minute left. All right. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can what we could do here. So yes, I'm sorry. I'm looking at Tesla this whole time. Had to make sure we could actually hit that. But yeah, we do this every day. Obviously, if one play doesn't work, you know, there's always another play. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Yo. Oh man. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm done. Oh man, let's go. Let's go. Bro, I'm done. All right, I'm done. Yo. Oh my gosh. I'm done. Oh, man, I get it. Yes, we could end up targeting here. I'm done. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Someone go take a look at those contracts right now. Someone go take a look at those contracts. Woo! Let's go, boy. Okay, sorry. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Woo! That's what I like. All right. Okay, I see we're finally trying to as well. Oh my gosh. Please tell me. One second. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking goodness, bro. I'm not even looking at the comments right now. Woo! Let's go, baby! Let's freaking go. Yeah, that's what we do, baby. Let's go. Yo, someone go take a look at those cons right now. Someone go take a look at those contracts. Go take a look at those cons. Oh, man. I kid you not. Hold on, where? Oh, man. Oh, it looks like Q's. There's something that could be here, too. Hold on. I'm out of breath right now, bros. It's like I ran a marathon. Oh, my gosh. Let's go. Go look at those contracts. Oh my gosh. We do this every single day. Obviously, you know, yesterday was chop, but man. All right, let's see what the Qs. Let's see. Hold on. Give me a second here. Oh man. And yes, I wanted to go live today. I promise you guys I'll go live today. Look what happened. Go look at those cons, guys. I'm done. OSCR. Looks like we're finally trying to. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh man. Yo, this is crazy. Please tell me. Bro. Bro. Yo, that's crazy. This is why I leave runners. Yeah, so we already hit that first TP, right? But we never went back into that box. So you can see why if we end up getting that trade. Wow. Oh man. Dude, that is crazy. Yes, we do this every single day. And honestly, we do have a code going on. So if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have off the VIP chat there. Oh man. And I promised you guys that I'll go live today. I'll stay on live stream. I would have caught this, you know, just inside the Discord, but I wanted to stay on live. Oh my gosh. That is crazy, bro. Hold on, I gotta go take a walk really quickly. I'm gonna go walk. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. But yeah, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Yo, I'm back. Alright, so alright, yeah, we ended up oh my gosh. Yeah. We ended up yo, what's up guys and gals? Really appreciate it all. Dude, I haven't even looked at the other chat. Oh my goodness. And you guys can't even see it. Sorry, 1 second. Obviously I was like I'm gonna try it if we can get above. We ended up getting that nice. So what? This is my whole thought process. We did it on the higher time frame. I went down to a lower time frame. We ended up getting that break. I get it. We ended up giving us a little trouble. We retested. We tested that first TP. Then we ended up exploding. That's freaking crazy. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Alright, so Walmart, yeah, Walmart was the only one that didn't want to work, but OSCR. Tesla, oh my goodness, guys. Alright, yeah, deep breath. I gotta chill out. So yeah, this is trading view. Trading view is how I go over all of my analysis before I go over all of my trades. Wow. Hold on, give me a second, guys. I promise I'll go over the other stocks. Give me 1 second here. All right, Q's looking good too. Maybe I'll try a lot on that. We'll see. So I wouldn't need that. I do want to see if we can get that. This next break here, so I'll try that. Well, yeah, what a day. Like I said, I told you guys, obviously, yes, not financial advice, not telling anyone to get into any trades, but I did say, yeah, if we get this break, I will try it. And we ended up touching that first TP and finally going to that final. I can't even wow, that's crazy. Whoa, what a crazy day. Oh man. And yeah, obviously, yeah, Powell speaking, so. And if I would have held more, I would have been up way more, but it's cool. My target was hit. As soon as my targets are hit, I'm fine with it, you know. Oh my gosh. What in the world? All right, Qs. All right. I don't even know. Maybe I'll do a lot of who knows? Who knows? We'll see. Oh my gosh, man. I know you guys see that. Man, that is crazy, bruh. And I think the Qs might end up. Yo, that is freaking crazy, bro. That is freaking crazy, man. Like, I kid you not. Like, this is wild. This is wild as freak. This is like too wild. Like, I can't even. This is crazy. Wild. Crazy. Crazy day. I can't complain whatsoever. If we can continue now, I do want to see if we can potentially go into this empty space here. So that's what I'm seeing. Obviously, you know, it doesn't look too bad here. As you can see, yes. I mean, yeah, we do have the empty space that is above us. So if we do somehow continue, we do have that empty space that looks really good. Dang, I'm really out of breath right now. And I don't even mean to be, which is, you know, the crazy part about it. Obviously, I get it. That's a big green candle, though, so you got to be very careful in that. That's for sure. So what? Let's see. Tesla did absolutely amazing. That's crazy. If the Qs, hold on, let's see. Let's go to a lower time frame. Try to break this down too. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. That doesn't look terrible though. If we can potentially get that, you know, nice clear break. Crazy though. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Yo. Wow, that's I can't even complain. Today has been a crazy great day already. Sorry, I know I'm sounding out of breath right now. Which I'll be honest, I am. So yeah, this is only if we could stay up, you know. We'll have to see how that plays out. Oh man. That's like, that was crazy. Check out what? Yeah, okay, I'll check that out too. So yeah, we need to stay above this top level. If we can, we could see this upside, but yeah, we'll have to see how, you know, things play out here. So yeah, we'll just have to see. Yo, that is crazy, guys. That is like wild as, like, so wild. This is like crazy. Honestly, I do want to see if we could potentially. So I get it, yeah. Tesla. Wow, crazy trade there. We would need to, you know, stay above this top wall here though. If we can, doesn't look bad, but yeah, we'll just have to see how that plays out. Wow. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, Link is in the bio. We do have a 30% off going, which will be ending pretty soon too as well. Dang, Tesla is still trying to continue, which is absolutely wild. Sorry guys, I know I'm still, you know, stuck on this. I promise we'll look at the other trades too as well. So yeah, no worries about that. That's if we can continue. Obviously, I really don't care if we can't get that break. If we can, you know, that's cool though. Can I take a look at Coin? And Coin is ripping, is it? And so yeah, those cons ended up doing what? Absolutely amazing. So yeah, I can't even complain. If we, you know, do get this continuation here, I do want to see that 573 being hit there, which honestly doesn't look too bad. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade, so yes, please do your own research as well. Wow, Tesla is still going. That is honestly insane. Wow, that's crazy. So that's if we can, you know, get this continuation. 7 seconds left. Tesla still trying to move up, which is honestly wild. Diabolical account, glad I fought. Yeah, I really appreciate you all tuning into the live stream too. Really appreciate it. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's wild. If we, yeah, I mean, what I can see now is if we can continue, I do like that, that 573. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get in, so please do your own research before doing anything. Oh my gosh. Maybe I ended up getting a nice trim here. Yo, let's go. Oh man. Oh my gosh, guys. Man, I hope the team's watching the live stream. I really hope everyone's watching the live stream right now. If they're not, I don't really know, man. Oh man. So yeah, I ended up trimming on this one too. So I do want to see we could hit that, what, 573.94. So I ended up trimming on this, so honestly, I'm just let the rest ride out. I really don't. I don't give a crap today. I really don't. Yo, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Please tell me someone caught Tesla with me. Just please. All right, go ahead and be my friend too. Go ahead and tap my target, please. Even though I already trimmed on you too. Wow, Tesla, man, if I would have helped my... Yo, that's crazy. Yo, Brandy, thanks for the follows. Appreciate all the follows, all the likes as well. Things of that sort. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Where are the bears, man? And, dude, I'm the put brothers. I love my puts, but when I see an entry, like... You think it goes down today? Maybe a little later. We'll have to see though. I know we have like a big green candle, so yeah, that's crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. So, and no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade, so please do your own research before doing anything. But yeah, you can pretty much see what we ended up cashing. Obviously, it went up nicely. Let's see, though. Then that's crazy. One second here. Man, do you think we'll pull back? Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Honestly, yeah, we definitely could. So yeah, we'll just have to see. Oh my gosh, dude, that is insane. That's just crazy. Obviously, no, not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So please do your own research before doing anything. But yeah, crazy. Hold on, I do have to tell the team members I'll be here too. We'll be here. Okay, actually, hold on. One of the members did actually get in with me. Let's go. Shout out to Amelia. So shout out to the ladies inside of the Discord. Tesla. So yeah, you know, you can see pretty much what we do here. Obviously, if we go back into this box here, so what I can see now, if we go back to this box, it wasn't just Tesla. Dude, Fireman, yeah, keep up the great work, bro. I will be honest, I didn't even get to see SPY. So I wasn't even eyeing that, but crazy. Obviously, yes, you know, we end up taking trades inside of the Discord. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my whole standpoint. Basically what I saw here was this empty space, and yeah, I'm keeping an eye on this too. Already, you know, trimmed up on that one too anyway, so I could care less if the runners get stopped. But you can see, yes, we had the empty space. We knew what we wanted, or at least I knew what I wanted. We had that clean break. We obviously held above, closing that 5 minute. We ended up targeting to the upside. I mean, I get it. Powell was speaking too, so I was being very cautious, but you can see what I wanted there, and yeah, that ended up happening. So yeah, Q's back in this box here. Personally, I won't retry this. Hold on, let's see. If I do, I'll wait for that 1 hour close. Wow, crazy. And yes, you can see what we do pretty much every day. Oh, another member caught it with me. Let's go. So shout out to the ladies. She caught Tesla with me. Also, Amelia did too. You can see, obviously, yes, I trade mainly in the Discord. You can see when we get into a trades, what happens. Obviously, yes, today I just wanted to be on live stream. You can see the before, the aftermath there. You can see how we pretty much call out entries. Obviously, I was just on live. But yeah, you can see, yes, when we wait for trades, you can see what other members end up doing. Obviously, yes, if one play doesn't work, can, you know, always stop out, find that re-entry. My first day like this, beautiful start. So boom, yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, if the trade works, cool. If the trade doesn't work, that's perfectly fine. Couldn't do it without the Discord. So you can pretty much see how we caught those trades. Honestly, I really wouldn't want to, you know, obviously, yes, we could end up continuing down since sellers have control. But for me, I'm not going to just get into anything right now unless I see something very clear. So yeah, we'll see. All right. That is crazy. But yeah, honestly, yes, if you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP chat. VIP, we do have a nice code that will be ending pretty soon as well. Obviously, yeah, if you don't want to join, no worries. You don't have to join whatsoever. I'm always live. Obviously, today was the only day that I was on live, since I did promise that I would stay on live for market open today. I get it, Powell was speaking, so had to be very cautious. But yeah, you can see what happened there, pretty much. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Dang, that was beautiful. Tesla went crazy today. That is wild. Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Going to give me some more water. And yes, we'll go over, you know, the other entries since I'm pretty much done with those day trades there. All right, so 1 second here. I'll be right back. Yo guys, I'm back here. Yeah. what a day for sure. Let's go. Look what one member said here. Shout out to Manny. He's been putting in the work. He's been doing great. You can see he just caught the Qs with us and also Tesla. You can see what he did just today. Y'all probably know I've been having hard time holding winners, and you can see right when the market opens, but this week has been amazing to me. Things might be turning around. So yes, we wait for our trades, we wait for our setups. You can see we just had the Qs play. We just had Tesla. Obviously, I'm mainly in the Discord, you know, calling out these entries. So it's a lot easier for, you know, the team to see what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at, when I'm, you know, in, out of trades, things of that sort. But you can see once we do get these entries, and yeah, shout out to Manny. You see all the other members that ended up cashing that Tesla play with me. And yeah, he did amazing. Look what he did on the Qs. Wild. Beautiful. So yeah, shout out to all the members as well. Not just today, you can see yesterday, the day before that. And yes, I know I'm still out of breath here. Yeah, it was just a wild morning for sure. But yeah, you can see what we did on that Qs play just this week. And we had another one. Alright, so yeah, the Qs are back above this wall. Personally, I see that it's holding over. I probably won't get in unless we can get a nice closure above. So we'll have to see. I get it. You know, if it leaves me in, if it hits the targets at this point, it's fine. It's cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for, you know, some great confirmation as well. But yeah, what a crazy day. So, you know, shout out to all the members. If the trade hits, cool. If the trade doesn't, that's fine. You can see what one of the members end up doing here. So crazy. Shout out to my guy here. He's been doing great. All right, so that's pretty much it. And yeah, I will be, doing a lot more work inside the VIP Discord. So yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in to the live stream once again. We do have a discount code that will be ending very, very soon. You can see that in the free chat too. So if you want to join, great, cool. If you don't want to join, no worries. You can see even what a few of the members ended up doing here. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. What a wild morning. I will be back on end of day. So that's the last 2 hours before market closes. I will be back on live stream. But yes, have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon. See you either in the Discord or in the live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all.